Hi, everybody, and welcome to another edition of Andamio Interviews. In today's interview, we are talking with Hinson from SIDAN Labs about his Project Catalyst Fund 11 proposal titled SIDAN Waffle Hong Kong Cardano Community. We hope you enjoy. All right, thanks again for being here, Hinson. We're talking today about your Fund 11 proposals for Project Catalyst. You are obviously part of SIDAN Labs.
Yeah, sure. So for us, SIDAN Lab is more of a organization or entity or maybe a community in the futures that we are supporting different impactful application developments. Want to see more impactful application development in the blockchain ecosystem. Primarily, we are starting in Cardano because we are kind of Cardano native. So in Fund 11, we are supporting 6 proposals. So we have 4 proposals that are actually submitting ourselves, and we are supporting 2 other community proposals where we find that there is some value of it. So it is actually a wide range of proposals. So we have one proposal on infrastructure. We're building Rust infrastructure to build the easy off-chain code building in some serious backend applications. And there are actually also 2 proposals on Hong Kong community, where one will be a developer series, more developer focused and event focused. And another is a more generic Hong Kong community, which we are wishing to host some offline events and also some of the more generic seminars so that to educate people about Cardano and have a group of people group together to talk about Cardano or other things. So one more is on high frequency trading gateway, because we are a team of diverse professionals based in Hong Kong, and we have some financial expertise as well, myself included. I'm also a CFA, apart from software engineer and Cardano engineers. So we spot some of the kind of the product gaps inside the crypto ecosystem as a whole. And Cardano is a good tool to solve this, as how to build something which is catered for high frequency trading. So I think this would be some of the interesting research that we are going on. And as of the ecosystem proposal, we are supporting Icon smart contract library, which we are working with Mesh and Trust Level. And also we are also supporting the Mesh proposal, which is to sustain and maintaining Mesh, because we are also kind of a consistent contributor to Mesh. So in the ecosystem grow as a whole. So yeah, we have such proposals in Fund 11, and we wish to pass them.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. If you'd like to know more about SIDAN Labs and their Fund 11 proposals, be sure to check out the links in the description below. If you'd like to support our project, you can support our Fund 11 proposals. You can find the links in the description below. Do you have any feedback? Be sure to leave it in the comments.